All right, so we talked about how parallel lines are two lines that never intersect. Perpendicular are two or, well, let's just say two, not or more in this case. So two lines that intersect at a right angle. Okay, that's very important. Okay, a right angle, so I'll say or 90 degrees because a right angle is 90 degrees. The symbol you would see is this one here. That means is perpendicular to. So two lines intersect at a right angle, which is 90 degrees. So let's take a look at our examples. We have y equals negative 2x plus 5, which we should really rewrite as y equals negative 2 over 1x plus 5. And then we have y equals 1/2 x minus 2. So let's graph the first one. We're going to go up 5. Then negative 2 is down 2 to the right 1, down 2 to the right 1. Okay, all the way down. All right, and then we connect them. Okay, and now for our other one, we have y equals 1/2 x minus 2. So we're going to start at negative 2. And we're going to go up 1 to the right 2, up 1 to the right 2, all the way through. Same thing going down, down, and then to the left 2. Oops, that one was wrong there. Okay, and let's see what happens. When we connect them, what happens to our graph? We see that we form a right angle. Okay, those two lines or those two equations are perpendicular to each other. So what do we notice? We should notice that we have y equals negative 2 over 1x plus 5 and y equals 1 over 2x minus 2. So what do we notice about the two slopes? Well, we flip them upside down, or that means take the reciprocal, and then they're the opposite sign. So we can say two lines are perpendicular if their slopes are opposite reciprocals. Fancy words for saying take the fraction, flip it upside down, and change the sign. So let's look at an example now. Okay, it says write an equation of the line that passes through 6, negative 1 and is perpendicular to y equals 3x plus 2. Well, we have y equals 3x plus 2, which means we know the slope is 3 over 1. So we're going to take the opposite reciprocal, which would be negative 1 over 3. Okay, so I took the opposite sign and then I flipped it upside down. So now we have an equation that is y equals negative 1/3 x plus b. Just like the last problem, we used a 0.6 negative 1. Say negative 1 equals negative 1/3 times 6 plus b. So negative 1 equals, let's see, negative 1 times 6 is negative 6. Negative 6 divided by 3 is negative 2. If I add 2 over, I get b equals 1. So my equation that is perpendicular to the other line is y equals negative 1/3 x plus 1.